Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Facebook business page URL and name. This is essential for building your brand identity and making it easier for customers to find and remember your business page on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page, which is typically listed there. This will take you directly to your business page where you can manage all your content and settings. After clicking on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Management page. This is your central hub for controlling everything related to your business presence on Facebook. Now focus on the left navigation menu again and locate the Settings option. Click on it to access the core configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your page. Once you click on Settings, you'll be taken to your Facebook Business Settings and Privacy page. This section contains all the important controls for managing your page's functionality and appearance. From the left navigation menu in this area, look for the Page Setup option and click on it. Page Setup is where you'll find the fundamental details that define your business page's identity. Under the Page Setup menu, you'll see several sections. Look for the one labeled Name and click on it to proceed. Clicking on Name will direct you to the General Page Settings menu. This is the critical area where you can customize both your Facebook business page name and your custom URL. You'll notice two distinct fields displayed on your screen. One field is for your Facebook business page name, which is how your business appears to visitors. The other field is for your Facebook business URL, which is the web address people use to access your page directly. To make changes to either of these elements, click on the Edit button that appears next to each option. This will allow you to modify both your business name and your custom URL according to your preferences. However, there's an important restriction you should be aware of. Facebook only allows you to change your business page name once every 60 days, so make sure you're completely satisfied with your choice before confirming it. Your URL change may also have similar restrictions depending on your page's history. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Facebook business page name and URL, giving your brand a professional and memorable presence on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.